Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the urban type photography editing and the brown effect, and I'll give you that preset link in my video description. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. At first I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J of these. So after that, go to the filter and photo toolbox and skin finer. This skin finer is a plugins, and if you want to know more about the skin finer, please check out my video description. I'll give you the detailed video over there. So here at first the skin detail and the skin tone. The skin tone will be same. I'll adjust the brightness and the shadow and highlight actually. So let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, far better than the previous. And smoothing, I'll just make the smoothing like this. Yeah, that's fine. And the saturation, all the thing will be same, and hit OK. And after that I'll apply the things, that is the shadow and highlighting. So press Ctrl J and J to copy of the layers. One is for shadow and another one is for highlight. So turning off the shadow, select the highlight, make it screen mode, right press, blending options. So here is the underlining option. Find out the highlighted area, alter and divide the slider and adjust the light with that, and then mask it, image, apply image and hit OK. Select the S option and make the blending mode into multiply, right press, blending options and make the slider like the shadow. Find the shadow, press alter and divide the slider and hit OK, and then mask it and image, apply image. In this case make it invert and hit OK. Select these two layer, make it group and again make it mask and image and the apply image, and uncheck the invert option and hit OK. So our shadow highlighting that is done. So let's see in closely. So shadow and highlight, that's done. So after that select these two things, make it group and make it merge. After merging this one, I'll add light which is coming from this side, that means the right side. So go to the new layer options and take a light which is like the yellowish light and hit OK, and select the brush, and that is the first one brush, and size will be around 202, that means the 200 pixel, and hardness 0%, and select once. Before select that, check out the opacity and flow and then press Ctrl T, make it bigger like that, like this, and I'll make it bigger. So I'll cover up, Ctrl J, and I'll cover up the other side, that is this side as well. Okay, that's fine. And now select these two layers and make it screen mode, blending mode from this one, and select in a group and mask it. And now I'll brush over the face around 65% and the opacity as well. So brush softly, face will be prominent. Okay, that's fine. If you need, you can brush more and more. So that's good. And this one just down the opacity, like, yeah, that's the fine, and this one as well. So select this group and make it merge, and after that filter and camera filter. And now I'll make the preset and I'll give you that preset to you for your photography purpose. From here I'll make the warm color, and from the camera calibration, the blue, primary blue color and primary green color and primary red color, like that. And the orange color, I'll increase the orange luminance, and the saturation I'll make it down. And then from the effects options, I'll dehaze this one a little bit, it will be more prominent. And from here I'll just give a black color over here, and exposure I'll make it like this. So I'll make it like that, that's fine. And highlight, I'll de-highlight this one, contrast, that's fine, and de-highlight this one, and That's good. And from here, the tone curve, I'll go to the blue tone curve and select here and just make it like this, the rich type. Okay, that's fine. And the green as well, so that's fine. And I'll make this one like that. Okay, then RGB options I'll make like that. And now from the basic, expand the exposure, highlight, dehighlight this one a little bit, shadow, adding the shadow, and whites, add some whites, clarity like that, and adjust the highlight with the color. Okay, that's fine. From the dehaze options, I'll add some gamma, like vignetting actually, so that's fine. And the contrast, I'll make the contrast like that. Let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, like that. So now from the temperature and tint, I'll make the temperature and tint like this. Yeah, fine. And I'm saving this one, saving, and you can use that preset. So how to use that, I'll show you. So I'm giving the name and hit OK. Yeah, it's loaded. And now I'll go to the filter and Nik Collection and Color Effects Pro 4. And this Color Effects Pro 4 is another plugins, and I do like to use that for the color grading and other stuffs. So if you want to download this Nik Collection, please check out my video description. You will get the link over there. Yeah, here I'm using the cross processing, and you will get lots of method over here. You can use one of them. So I'll use this one or this one, or this one is good, or this. I think this one is very good, and hit the OK button. It will take time and give you the output, the before one and after one. Yeah. And now if you want to get the sharpness more, select these two things, make it group and make it merge. So make copy of this layer, go to the blending mode and vivid light, filter, other, and the high pass. From here 0.5, that's fine. Yeah, or 1.5, no, 1 is good, and hit OK. So that's good. Select these two things, make it group and make it merge, and then go to the adjustment layer again and go to the color lookup. From here I'll use the fog night, and then I'll down the opacity like this. And from here go to the level options, and from the adjustment, and I'll adjust the level like that. So now see the before one and after one, you are getting the prominent highlighted image and like posh color, that is the brown color effects. So after that I'll go to the adjustment layer again, and the exposure. From the exposure I'll make the exposure like, increase the exposure. Yeah, that's good. And the offset, I'll make the offset like, yeah, that's fine. I think this one is good, -0.042, and the gamma like that, and exposure, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. And now again gradient from the adjustment layer, and I'll add a gradient which is make the photograph more amazing. So from here the mode will be radial, and then reverse this one and then make it 0 degree, and the scale will be like this, and the dither as well. So this one, select all the things, make it group and make it merge. You'll get the final output, non-edited image. And after editing this one, you are getting like this posh type color. So I think you learn a lot from this tutorial. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and thank you so much. If you need the plugins and the other presets or other stuffs, please check out my video description. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.